God bless you. This is Pastor Frederick, and I have a word for you. Don't quit waiting on God until you see what you expect, until you receive that which He promised. And we have a lesson to learn from Elijah in 1 Kings 18. Elijah declared prophetically there was going to be rain. He went on Mount Carmel and he spent time in prayer. He spent time waiting upon God. We find that in James 5. And then he began to send his servant. He says, go look toward the sea. And the servant came and said, there is nothing. What do you mean by there's nothing? And then he sent him again and again and again and again. And on the seventh try, the servant came and said, sir, I see a cloud the size of a man's hand. And Elijah said, that's it. But Elijah remained in prayer. Elijah continued to persevere in prayer. Elijah continued waiting upon the Lord. What if he resigned on the sixth try or the second try, which is what many of us do? We started out in faith, but we gave up too soon. Friend, don't quit. If you began in faith, continue in faith and continue waiting upon the Lord. On the seventh time, God will show up. God bless you. Join me again tomorrow as I bring this series to a close.